Alright, so my brother's been complaining about my headliner coming down in my truck. I'm so short I can just live with it, it doesn't bother me. But he complains about it, so I said, if you don't like it, fix it. So, yeah, I know, folks. So I said, if you don't like it, fix it. So, yeah, we're pulling the truck into the backyard to get some shade. And I'm gonna watch a blind guy fix my headliner. It was a chore, but he managed to get the visors off. Now he's feeling around. He's gonna need one of these. He's pulling the ladder down. Now he's up to the light. I think I'm gonna help him on this one. So the first step is take the visors off. Second step was to take the screws holding this light in. I think it'll slide through the headliner. And there's these button clips that go in these holes here. There's 3 of them. Use this tool to get them out. Alright, there you go, taking the seals off. So that clip good. Alright, so he's got that off. Asked me to look at the clips. I don't know what he said. He either said it's good or it's fucked. Either one. He wants me to take these nuts off, hold the seatbelt on. He says 12 millimeter. I think it's 14. We'll see. I didn't catch it on video, but we had the big brother, little brother fight of 14 millimeter, 12 millimeter. He does not believe me it's 14 millimeter. He thinks I'm lying to him. I don't know, but it was 14 millimeter. That's because we play too many jokes on each other. Neither one of us knows when the other one's telling the truth. For the plastic pry bar. And he says it's junk. Now he's switching to the screwdriver, which you can't see. He's asking for something with bigger. He's inspecting to make sure there's no damage. We have the fuzz seal of approval. I don't know why he's messing with the seat, but we already have it out. It's right there. So after you get your headliner material of choice, this 3M Super 77. I find it at Lowe's, any store where glue is sold. That's not true, but yeah, hardware stores mostly. Auto parts stores might have it, but alright, so after several hours of this, we're down to this.
Chicken.
No cheese. Okay.
So what'd he say?
That's exactly what I said. No cheese, no sauce, barbecue chicken. So it's pretty much a barbecue chicken sandwich. You got it. Now we're wiping it down with a little denatured alcohol. And he's inspecting my side. Of course, he's not happy with it. So this is where we're at so far. We got it all glued down. That's my boo-boo there. That's his boo-boo there. He's doing it. He's mad at me because I told him the seatbelt goes on first, then this plastic piece. I was wrong. So that's about the 14th time he's called me stupid. But, little brothers. You know, I'm the little brother, he's the big brother. He's been calling me stupid my whole life. Not only did I tell him the incorrect sequence, I gave him the incorrect battle, too. He's doing it, though. Looks beautiful. Put the last piece on. Thank you. So can a blind guy put in a headliner better than me? Yes, he can. It looks awesome. A little bit of dirt where I dropped the roll in the dirt, but I think it'll shampoo out, but I'm not gonna worry about it. This ain't no show truck, but it's up. It gave us something to do, little brother bonding time. And I enjoy spending time, and he teaches me so much every time we do something together. All right, got some time to kill. Check out my podcast, the 10-Minute Off-Road Podcast. It's the podcast for the off-roader with a short attention span. If that didn't put you to sleep, check out this video. This one's one of my favorite. Yeah, you should watch it. You got some more time to kill. Check out this one down here. That's even a better one. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked it. If you didn't like it, go ahead and hit the thumbs down button. You know, be honest. If you do that, tell me why you didn't like it, and I'll try to make this content better. All right. Thanks for watching.